In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the workspace name in Notion. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go and what to click so your workspace reflects the name you want, whether you're organizing a team, a class, or your personal projects. Start by opening your browser and heading to notion.com. This takes you to Notion's homepage. From here, click Login. Use your usual sign-in method to access your account so you can get to your workspace. Once you're in, you'll land on your Notion dashboard. At the top left of the screen, next to your current workspace name, you'll see a small downward arrow. Click that arrow to open the workspace menu. This menu lets you access settings that control how your workspace looks and behaves. In that menu, click Settings. This takes you into the area where you can manage workspace level preferences. Next, click General. The General section is where Notion keeps basic details like your workspace name, icon, and other foundational options. Look for the field labeled name. This is the current name of your workspace. Click into it to edit. Type the new name you want. Aim for something clear and recognizable like your team's name, your company name, or a descriptive label for your projects. Keep in mind that this is the name people will see in their sidebar when they're invited to your workspace. So clarity helps collaborators know where they are. If you use multiple workspaces, a precise name also makes switching between them easier. As you're typing, think about consistency. If your pages and databases follow a certain naming style, match that tone here too. Short, memorable names tend to work best. Also note that changing the workspace name won't break your pages or content. It simply updates the label you and your members see across Notion. If you share pages with others, the new name may appear in invitations and workspace references, which is a great way to keep everything aligned with your brand or purpose. When you're happy with the new name, click Update. That saves your changes right away. You should see the updated name appear in the top left area and throughout Notion wherever the workspace is referenced. That's it. You've successfully changed your workspace name in Notion. If you ever need to adjust it again, maybe you're rebranding or refocusing a project, come back to the same general settings and update the name field. Thanks for watching and enjoy your newly polished workspace.